high-grade UDF Granular Activated Carbon Water Filter. Due to the ongoing pandemic, I am unable to go and visit the mall to buy a replacement for our water filter. It's really a hassle to go to the mall today, where you have to go through a long queue of other people in line. It is still okay if you have the patience, but I don't. So I decided to make a purchase online as an alternative solution. This is what I purchased. It's called the high-grade UDF 10 inches Granular Activated Carbon Water Filter Cartridge Replacement. It is actually the second stage filter, where its primary purpose is to remove the unpleasant taste and odor of the water, making it fresh. Let's open it out from its wrappers to check if I did really get the correct item. By the way, I am really surprised by the delivery service, where it only took about 3 days from the time that I ordered. Very nice. As you can see, the product is well protected. It's like receiving a highly confidential type of product. Sorry guys, I am having a hard time opening it. Let us now inspect for any possible damages. By how I inspected it, I see no damages. Moreover, the size of this carbon filter is 10 inches, which I believe is the standard size. I already installed it, but I am unable to take a video. As a tip, you should flush it first for at least 15 minutes or more. Meaning, let the water flow from the newly installed filter for at least about 15 minutes. After this period, it is best to taste the filtered water if the unpleasant smell and taste is no more. Some of you may ask if this is a refillable type of filter. Unfortunately, the answer is no. It is completely disposable. As a second stage filter, you can replace it every once a year. But for the first stage filter, it should be replaced for every 6 to 8 months. Overall, it is a quality product which I definitely recommend to others. And before we end this video, shout out to the DJM store whom I purchased this product from.